Hello everyone, how are you doing? In today's science class, we will be answering what is sound questions. So today we are dealing with lesson review. Now, the first question. Complete the sentences. Blank is a kind of energy you hear. What do we call the kind of energy that you hear? Think. Yes, we call it sound energy. Now, is to move back and forth quickly. To move back and forth quickly. What is it? Vibrate. Excellent. Vibrate or vibration. Good. Now, select the correct answer. What would happen when the boy stops hitting the drum? What will happen when the boy stops hitting the drum? He hears a sound. The drum vibrates or the sound stops when he stops hitting the drum. Now, when he hits it, if the boy keeps on hitting the drum, he will hear a sound. And when he hits the drum will vibrate, right? But what will happen when he stops hitting the drum? The sound stops. Excellent. When you stop hitting the drum, the sound will stop. Good. Now draw an object in your home that makes sound. What can we draw here? An object in our homes that makes sound. For example, we can draw a doorbell. Yes, we can draw a doorbell. We can draw speakers, right? What else? Get creative and draw things that make sound in your home. Look at the picture. What would happen to the rice as the boy hits the drum? What would happen to the rice as the boy hits the drum? Can you see here the boy is hitting the drum and there is a bowl of rice on top of the drum? What will happen to the bowl of rice? What will happen to the rice? It will move. Excellent. So it will move. Perfect. The rice will move. It will start moving. So the vibration of the sound, the vibration will make the rice move. Good. So it will move. Next, what causes a guitar to make sound? What causes a guitar to make sound? Why does a guitar make a sound? Can you think? Can you think what makes the guitar, or how could the guitar make a sound? Can you think the way you play a guitar? What do you do with your fingers? Where do you put them? How do you move your fingers? Can you think of it and answer it by yourself? Can you think of the question and answer it by yourself? Now by here I come to the end of the lesson. Thank you so much. Bye bye.